I ordered a Banh Mi, pork Banh Mi. Okay. Here you go. All right. I wanted to get a Banh Mi. So there's nothing really close to my office. So I asked a local foodie group what to recommend. And someone mentioned something in Bay Shore called Savor Eatery. Didn't sound Vietnamese. So I looked it up. They had a bunch of Asian fusion stuff. Not really into Asian fusion that much, but a couple people recommended it. So let's go see how it is. I had high expectations of sitting down, relaxing, want to get out of the office, and you know, show my food, right? So, unfortunately, the dining room is closed. Oh. So you can't sit in and eat? No. All right. Let me see. Where's the menu? Thanks. So, I took it out. So I ordered a Banh Mi, pork Banh Mi, and summer roll. Here we go. I'm gonna start off with the pork Banh Mi because I was looking forward to it, and I really did want to sit down and relax, but the car will have to do. So let me show you. Okay. Here you go. What I like most about Banh Mi's is the ratio of the the daikon, radish, carrots, cucumber. Not sure if I see any pate in here. It is Asian fusion, so I'm not sure if they're gonna leave it out. The pork looks a little bit overcooked. Let's take a look at the baguettes. So typically a baguette from a Vietnamese restaurant should be made with rice flour. Give that golden crust and crispiness when they bake it. Looks like it's going to flake off, which is good. That's what I want. You know, and I'm in a car, so it's going to be messy. Let's take a look. So let me open it up for you. Boy, dropping some stuff. Okay. So you got some of the radish, cucumber. The cucumbers are sliced in rounds. The julienne carrots and daikon. I see the cilantro, which I love. I love cilantro. Not sure. I don't see any mayo, but let's take a look. Let's take a bite. Which I like it. I prefer if the fat to pork ratio is a little bit more. Maybe not so grilled or chopped up. I do prefer bigger pieces of the pork. I feel that when they use bigger pieces of pork, that it provides a better flavor. Chopped up ones, they seem to cook very fast, but it's not as tasty. I feel that this particular one has been marinated and it tastes fragrant, but not as tasty as it should be. Let me take one bite. I wish the pork wasn't chopped up and cooked. Overall, the sandwich is tasty. I could probably use some more mayo. Definitely pate to round it out. The roll, the baguette, I think it's holding up. I prefer the baguette kind of crumbles on me almost. I don't know why. It's almost like a delicate balance of baking and a little steam and baking. of the baguette. I think one of the things I would have liked is the radish and carrot mixture, maybe a little bit more marinated, a little bit more sweetness. That's me. So let me finish this off, and then I'll show you the summer roll. These are classic Vietnamese dishes, and something I enjoy. Let me finish this off first, and then I'll show you the spring summer roll. Now to the classic summer roll. All right. Interesting. They kind of made it like tiny burritos. All right, so let's take a look. Let's take a closer look at examination. You can see the lettuce, some of the rice noodle. This looks like on this side 4 baby shrimp. All right. The only thing maybe missing from it is the chive that I like sticking out at the end. The sauce. I don't know if it's peanut sauce, but usually it's like a oyster sauce, hoisin sauce mixed together with some peanut butter to get that sweet and savory taste, a little tartness. Yes, you can smell the peanut butter here. Okay, so let's go. So anyway, this rice paper wrapper is holding up. There's a little cross section. Usually the sauce makes or breaks the summer roll. I think I'm gonna take a bite without the sauce. I definitely know the sauce made a big difference, and it tastes really good. That bite had a little bit of mint in it. You could see some of the pickled vegetables of the daikon and carrots. I think the combination of the two with the sauce it does hit the spot. I have to say this is probably one of my more tastier complimentary sauces that go with the summer roll ever. Usually when I have it can be a little bit too tart and not enough that peanut butter flavor. I don't know why peanut butter and Vietnamese food goes together, but that's the first time I ever had it. I mean, when the first time I've had it, it came that way, so I kind of remember that. Overall, I would say this is someplace I would go back. I would like to try the chicken banh mi, see how that goes. But something interesting, and hopefully the dining room will be open next time. So, if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to come out to lunch with me, let me know. And remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Finish this off.